Hi, my name is Dusan. I found about NetSoft through a friend of mine. I'm involved in the Diploma program, which has many courses, and I have attended all of them. The quality at NetSoft is something you will not get somewhere else. It is something very special and very unique. NetSoft always pushes you to the limit, tries to get the best out of you, and tries you to look in a different way in your life. Of course, the courses are intensive, but also you learn so much from the courses, so you enjoy them. Doesn't matter if they're intensive or not, but you enjoy them. Instructors, they try to push you to do your assignments, to do your certifications, to do labs and assignments, and that's what really helps you. It gives you an opportunity to really grow in your life and to gain a lot of experience. I have seen way too much success stories here at NetSoft, and that's what I like. That's what I really like. I spend around 8 hours per week on my assignments, and it really helps me a lot to learn a lot and to learn a lot of new stuff, which I really like. NetSoft really tries to prepare you for the job interviews, to help you with a resume, which I haven't seen in other institutes, and it really helps you for the future, so you know what you want to do. In the Diploma program, I have learned so many new things which give me clarity, and I'm really proud of that I have visited NetSoft and that I have learned this kind of things. My favorite courses are probably Citrix and VMware courses, because it gave me the opportunity to learn more about these technologies. NetSoft gives you an opportunity to grow in your professional and in your personal life, and it is a really good institute. That they will learn a lot of new things, and they will see a growth in their professional but also in their personal life.